This actually rides really nice for
right?
I like it.
You know?
I like the sound of that intake too.
Yeah, yeah, dude, drive pretty much like mine. What's up, guys? Welcome to the vlog again. Matt here as always. Thank you so much for watching. Today is gonna be a different day and a different vlog actually. So I'm driving to PA to meet with my friend Justin from Horsepower Obsessed channel. Stay with me because we're gonna meet with him. If you don't know him, he also has a Colorado. I think it's the same one but red. But we're gonna go over all the things. We're gonna talk about a lot of stuff. I have to drive more than 2 hours to meet up with him in PA. Well, it's gonna be the first time I'm gonna drive that much with those wheels and those tires. So yeah, well, 2 hours, let's do it. Oh, they have chicken fillet here. Lunchtime, I'll be here. What's up, man? We got here finally. What's up, man?
How's it going, dude?
How are you?
Good.
Nice to meet you, man. Justin from Horsepower Obsessed. If you guys don't know his channel, I'll leave a link here. You guys probably know his channel because we are probably both
Only two doing Colorado content. Yeah.
We are doing Colorado content, and he has a lot of content about Corvettes as well. Checking me out, a lot of good stuff. We're going through his modifications because that's what we like, right? I got a lot of bugs. Look at this. Look at this. Ah, crazy. Love it though. I love it. I love the red accents. I like the tires.
Yeah, those are stock on the Midnight Edition.
Ah, really?
Yeah.
There goes. Truck people.
Yeah.
So you wanna show me your truck? The first thing I noticed though, and Justin just told me to do that, it's the red accents here. What do you guys think? The only thing that bothers me about Jersey, the fact I need a front license plate. Looks so much better without it. Oh my god.
The only thing I would recommend down here is I painted these. Oh man, they're all chipped up. I'm gonna pull those off again anyway. I'm gonna get them powder coated.
Do you think should power coated better?
I've only had
but it's not bad though.
Maybe 1,000 miles.
It's not bad.
They're so easy to get out of there. There's two 18mm, I'm pretty sure, bolts on the back that hold them in. You unbolt them and they slide right out.
The headlights are stock, right?
Yeah. I have HIDs in there, and the low beams, and then LEDs in the fog lights, LEDs in the high beams.
Okay.
And switchbacks for the, I think.
Yeah, the same
stuff,
with it.
Yeah.
And I like that's actually, he gave me the idea about blacking out this stuff here. I did the wrap thing, but I will probably get one of those just because it looks better. From far away, you don't notice how bad it is, but if you get close. By the way, he has 1.5 leveling kit.
Just 1 inch right
Just
now.
1 inch.
I might be putting the other one in for 2 inch.
And we're gonna talk more about it just to see the difference between both. Even the one inch changed a little bit, right?
Yeah, the 1 inch, honestly, it leveled out the front and rear fender.
Yeah, you definitely can see.
Almost perfect.
Yeah,
I would say 1.5 would probably.
Yeah, you definitely. It's funny because I get a lot of questions. People say like, "Oh, should I go for a 1.5 or 1 or 4?" It's all about what do you want.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? I for sure, if I don't wanna like go that high like mine, I will probably do the leveling just because it looks way better.
Yeah.
I don't like the way they stock thing. You know, makes. I get it what Chevy did because you know going to tow and all this stuff, but I just I love it the way that it looks with the just 1 inch though. That's crazy.
You might be able to see the block up in there.
Yeah,
you can a little bit.
Here's the block, right? And you did it by yourself, right?
I did it by myself, yeah. That was real easy though.
Yeah. If you guys want to check it out, he did like by himself, so if you want to do with yours, I just think after you need alignment, right?
Yeah, I got an alignment.
Yeah.
It was actually surprisingly out of alignment with just 1 inch block. Yeah.
Really?
Yeah, the toe was the worst, so the tires were actually like scrubbing going down the street. And I mean, those are basically brand new tires. I don't want to beat them all up.
Gotcha. And you have the fenders as well, right?
The fender flares, yeah.
Yeah, it looks good. Everyone is telling me to get one, but I'm not sure yet because I don't know what I'm gonna do with the stripes. I don't know if I'll keep it.
I saw your Instagram post.
Yeah, I don't know if I'll keep it or not. And one thing I'm definitely thinking about to do it, the brakes.
Yeah, that is another one of those things that makes a surprising difference. And that was super easy. I mean, if you can paint something, you can easily do that.
So yeah, I watched your video. I was like, wow, that looks so cool. It's not hard to do. So another thing I want to just, he has the same side steps that I do, and I believe that came with your truck, right?
No, I bought this.
You bought it?
Yeah.
It's OEM.
Or OEM.
Yeah. People ask me all the time because when I got mine, was the dealer put it in.
Oh,
so
okay.
It's OEM, so I think they're not cheap, right?
No, OEM, they're like 800 bucks.
Yeah, that's the price I would say.
I ended up finding a good deal. Somebody selling them locally on Craigslist was 150 bucks. They were brand new. The guy got
I was like, dude, I think those are like $800.
Yeah, they're expensive.
Because they are expensive. If you get lucky, like, just go for it. And one thing I'm looking at it, a lot of people asking about is the tail lights.
Yeah, and if you watch the install video for these, all you have to do is make sure you silicone the back of the wire harness. And if you do, that problem you had won't happen.
Oh, okay. Those are better quality than one that I had before. Way better than this one.
Yeah. Well, these one, the resistors are built into these ones. So you don't have to worry about sticking anything in there. But,
and I love it. I love it. I like the white.
The way it lights up at night looks really cool too.
Yeah, the white thing, I like it. I love it. And one thing I wish I had on mine is the bed liner.
Oh yeah, you have the bed rug in there though.
Yeah, it looks so much better.
That's all pollen.
I know.
Oh my god, that looks horrible.
I know. And my allergies are, if you guys can't hear me, my allergies are just off. One thing I want to ask you though, it's about the interior thing. Like, I was looking at the radar detector. Do you like it? Yeah. Oh, it looks clean. Yeah. Man, your truck still smells like new. Yeah. Wow, I wish YouTube somehow could give us the chance to smell something, because this thing smells like brand new. He has like almost 5,500 miles on it, right? And I'm looking at this thing here. I'm probably gonna get one. Again, you know, I said that million times, but a leveling kit, more like a different tire, and probably he changed the rims as well, so changed just the truck completely. And I think you get more, you don't get that difference of driving. I mean, I'll let Justin drive my truck for a little bit just so he can give me like a comparison from both.
You're changing these? You go with Spider?
Probably.
See, I was gonna do that same thing.
Yeah, probably.
Oh wow. It's deeper than an iPhone X, guys.
We're gonna make a comparison because a lot of people ask me how my exhaust sound. No, I still have the stock one, but with the resonator deleted. We're gonna just make a comparison here and see. You guys can have a better understanding how the stock versus what I did, which was the cheapest option for a V6 Colorado. So let's hear.
Yeah, it's louder. I might look at doing that same thing.
It's not crazy loud, you know what I'm saying? It's not crazy loud. So, do you want to ride in the 6 lift?
Yeah, let's do it.
You want to drive?
Sure.
Yeah, people ask me if I let people drive my truck. If I know they can handle, yeah. And I believe, I trust in you, man.
Yeah, so far it doesn't really feel any different though. This actually rides really nice for it.
Right?
I like it.
Yeah.
God damn it. I knew this was going to be a mistake. Now I'm going to have to shell out all kinds of cash for this.
See, now we talk.
Even with a, you know.
I like the sound of that intake too.
Yeah.
Yeah, you're costing me all kinds of money today. How's the gas mileage? Have you noticed the difference yet?
Yeah.
Is it bad?
I mean, how is yours though?
I haven't really noticed the difference.
But like how many gallons you get?
Between 17 and 19, maybe.
So
yeah, you're averaging about the same.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Yeah. But it's crazy because I was doing 20 before.
I never got that high.
Yeah, people ask me like, you're lying. I have pictures of it.
I gotta be honest, this ride's nicer than mine.
Nah, come on, don't go.
I swear to God, you're gonna have to take mine for a ride now because
don't go that far.
This feels smoother than mine does.
Really? I'm glad, man. I'm glad you like it. That's the main thing.
Well, it does have a shimmy, but honestly, it's exactly the same as my trucks. Like it's totally the same experience. Only you're just higher in the air. I'm impressed. I'll say that first.
And you can be honest though. If you don't like it,
I'm totally being honest.
You definitely can be honest.
I was half expecting to get in here and be like, oh yeah, this is sloppy. But this feels solid to me, guys. I mean, it feels like my truck, only it's higher in the air. And honestly, I feel like I'm driving a full-size truck. Yeah. Because of how high it is,
right? Okay, I'm gonna drive Justin's Colorado.
Front leveling kit and 1.5-inch wheel spacers. And then just the Midnight Edition Colorado rims and tires.
I feel the same thing I feel in mine.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? Like I think it's the tires.
It is. It's there because they're kind of nubby.
Yeah, dude, driving pretty much like mine.
Yeah, it's very similar.
Oh, yours is brand new, so it feels like a new truck. You know what I'm saying?
It probably feels like you're riding on the ground though now, huh?
Yeah, it's like
it's so much slower.
It's like I'm driving a vat.
Yeah, right.
But I tell you, your truck is brand new. It's like it's a new truck, dude. Yeah. I'm impressed. You see that little shake you have? It's the same I got.
Yeah.
So yours is definitely more comfortable.
You think?
Yeah, it's more comfortable.
What specifically? Is yours stiffer, you think?
Yeah, mine's stiffer.
Okay. I don't really feel a difference.
But not that much though.
Yeah.
It's not. I'm being picky here.
Okay.
I'm being really picky with my truck. Like I drove like 180 miles. And it was fine. I would drive to Canada, that thing. Yeah. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, I can feel like yours is it's more comfortable. Somehow it's more comfortable. All right, boys. Just some merch plug here for Justin. How they buy this though?
They have to email me as of right horse.power.obsessed@gmail.com. I'll get you some of those out.
Sounds good. So I'll leave the email here on the screen so you guys can see. Buddy, thank you so much.
You're welcome, man.
Thank you for everything. So if you're not subscribed to his channel, he does a lot of stuff to his Colorado by himself. Check it out. You guys ask me a lot of questions about leveling kit. He can answer for you. And yeah, man, looking forward to next time.
Definitely.
All right, I will drive back home now. Sending him an email for get yours. I'm getting mine here, and I'll get it. I'm gonna get rid of my American flag and I'll get yours though.
There you go.
White and black. White and black. Thank you so much.
My pleasure.
Boys, chicken fillet, I have to. You know I have to. Boys, and now there's another thing I need to do because I'm in PA. It's like, it feels like another country for me. There's one thing you need to do when you are the one to pump your gas. So here we go. But I have to do this. All right, boys, that's it for today's upload. I hope you guys enjoy. I hope you guys had fun with Justin. He's a really nice guy. Again, YouTube channel in the description below. He's doing a lot of stuff with his Colorado, so make sure to watch his YouTube channel if you like Corvettes as well. He's a to-go guy on YouTube. A lot of knowledge, a lot of good information. So I'm driving back home, and I hope to see you guys next week. Again, if you are here for the first time, subscribe. Make sure to subscribe. Make sure to follow me on Instagram. Also, leave it on the description below all the things we bought for our trucks, either mine or Justin. But if you want to look at his channel as well, he's gonna have everything on his video as well, on links. So if you want anything on my truck that you saw in this video, go to the links in the description below. I try to leave everything there so it can make your life easier. And again, follow me on Instagram, and I hope to see you guys next week. Thank you so much for watching. Justin, again, thank you, man, so much. I hope to see you one more time, or many times. That's a good thing about YouTube. We make friends, and that's, I think, was me and Just today. We really connect. Cars, I love the way the cars and trucks connect people. But anyway, I hope to see you guys next week. A lot of modifications coming to the truck. I just didn't have a chance to install it today, but more to come. And as always, guys, don't forget, enjoy your life.